A self-correcting agent is not a smarter planner. It is a planner wrapped in a critic loop. The model proposes a step, runs it, then judges the result. On failure, it feeds the error back and retries. That feedback loop is the whole mechanism. This is for engineers building agents in Python with Semantic Kernel. Automatic function calling can chain 5 or more tools in one turn. We cover 3 things. First, how semantic kernel planners actually work under the hood. Second, wiring the correction loop with a critic step. Third, the production gotchas. One of those gotchas will drain your token budget fast if you ignore it. I will point it out near the end. Watch for the retry cap. Forget the old sequential and stepwise planner classes. Modern semantic kernel leans on automatic function calling. You register plugins as functions with clear descriptions. The Azure OpenAI model reads those descriptions and decides which to call. The kernel executes the call, appends the result, and loops. The plan is emergent, not pre-written. Good function descriptions matter more than any planner setting. Here is the self-correcting part. After a tool runs, add an evaluator step. It checks the output against the goal or a schema. If validation fails, you inject the error message as a new prompt. The model sees what broke and revises its next call. Keep a running attempt counter. Each loop should narrow toward a passing result. This is the minimal setup. Connect the Azure OpenAI chat service. Then enable automatic function calling on the settings. The kernel handles the invoke loop for you. Your job is the validation and retry wrapper around it. In production, the loop touches several services. The agent calls Azure OpenAI, which invokes your tools. Tools hit real backends like a database or search. Log every attempt to application insights so you can trace failures. That trace is how you tune your function descriptions later. Here is the gotcha I promised. Without a retry cap, a confused agent loops forever. Every loop is another paid Azure OpenAI call. Set a hard maximum, usually 3 to 5 attempts. Second, non-determinism means the same input can plan differently. Pin your temperature low for repeatable behavior. Third, always validate tool arguments before executing. The model will hallucinate parameters that do not exist. Self-correction is a critic loop, not a magic planner. Automatic function calling drives the plan. Validation plus feedback drives the correction. Cap your retries and pin your temperature. Log every attempt so you can improve descriptions. Prices and API surfaces change, so check the current Azure docs before you ship. Build the loop, then tighten the guardrails. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.